Hey guys, so for today's video we are going to teach you guys how to make the creamiest pasta ever. So we're going to need some sour cream, milk, butter, and chicken flavored bouillon or broth. So first things first, we're going to boil some hot water and evenly cook the pasta. Once you see that the pasta is all cooked, it's all evenly cooked, we are going to strain the pasta and just add some water to it. It doesn't matter if it's hot or cold. So now we're starting with the creamy sauce. It really depends on you how much butter you want. The more butter you have, the creamier it is. So we're going to add the broth along with the butter. While the butter is melting, we add a spoonful of broth and we just mix those two up. You really want to make sure you don't stop stirring, because if you do, it can burn. The whole thing can burn and it'll just taste really, really bad. So, once you see that everything's melting, we go along with the sour cream and we add just however much sour cream you want. It also really depends how much pasta you have and how creamy you want it. So right here we're just adding like 2 big spoonfuls of it, and we're just mixing it along with the broth and the butter. And as I said, you need to make sure to keep stirring or else everything will burn and it'll just taste really disgusting and nasty. We don't want that. So once all of your ingredients are melted, we're going to move along with the milk. We're just using like 1 little carton of milk, but you can use, however much milk you want. It really doesn't matter. Just a little here and there. So once you see the sauce is done, it's all creamy and everything, we are going to go ahead and add the pasta. Right here it looks a little dry. That's because we strained it for too long. It really doesn't matter. It's still going to come out, really good, and it's going to come out nice and smooth and creamy. You really want to make sure every part of the pasta is covered with the cream, or else some parts will just taste nasty and raw, while the other parts are going to taste nice, smooth, and sweet. And here's the finished result. It looks really good. It tastes really good. We added it with some fish sticks. Here's my little brother eating it. He's eating it with his cousin. This recipe is really good especially for little kids or your whole family if you're having a party. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.